Get some local stories, and here several residents in Buipe Zongo Township are appealing for support after being rendered homeless by flood waters from the Black Volta Lake spillage that submerged their homes in the central Gonja district. Well, some residents who lost part of their livelihoods are still living in fear. Our Northern Regional correspondent Nash visited the area. He's come through with this report.
It is 4 days after deadly flood water swept through homes in Buipe in the Savannah region, rendering scores, including this trader, Rukia Imoro, homeless. Though she has been given a temporary accommodation together with her children by some neighbors, Rukia is still living in fear. A grandmother of 10, Rukia depends on pain relievers to manage her headaches and fears after losing part of her belonging.
Obia anka hwie nkyerɛ me megyina me fie no ano sɛ de nso no bewuro fie no nkwala no dɔɔso sɛ megyina wɔ kasa yi anadwo sɛ mama no sɛ menum adura mentementa.
Fishmonger Abibaba Isahaku tells me she has lost her home and livelihood to the flood, and that has given her sleepless nights. During the news team's visit to the area, residents had resorted to open defecation as the places of convenience have been inundated by flood water and refuse carried by the water. At RC, a suburb of Buipe, people who desired moving to areas not affected by the floods had to do so with a canoe. The Member of Parliament for Yape Kusogu constituency, John Jinapo, who visited some affected victims, donated 100 bags of rice and oil for onward distribution to the victims.
The level of devastation is quite serious. I've toured the whole area. I've seen the extent of damage. People are not able to even enter their homes. People have been displaced. And so I think that immediately government must do something. NADMO in particular must step in and provide some relief items.